Here I am at Orussey Market in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and it is just completely insane. Here we have pickup trucks, cars, tuk-tuks, people on motorcycles, people on rickshaws pedaling around, people walking in every direction, traffic, people beeping. The place is absolutely insane. And when you get here, what amazing set of sights and sounds are you gonna see and smell? Well, you're gonna see just every kind of vegetable and fruit that you can imagine. Tuk-tuks trying to make their way through to roads that are way too small. Motorcycles, of course, trying to run you over. You're gonna have all these great fruits and vegetables. You're gonna have your crabs, your live shrimp. You're gonna have your delicious snails, and I assure you they are delicious. You got your squids. Why, just behind me there's a stall where they got nothing but a bunch of pigs like hanging upside down. Here's all your pork parts if you want some pig parts. Here you got your chickens. Here, if you want live chickens, you can see them just kind of like literally taped up and just laying on the ground awaiting their death or your purchase. Got live fish flopping around here inside the containers. I do mean that they're definitely live fish. You have everything that you could possibly imagine, even fully prepared food sitting next to uncooked food. You got these giant long fish with these terrifying teeth. This place is incredible, and I recommend that you visit it if you get the chance. It is fantastic.